If you're looking for a yummy fall snack, try these banana chocolate muffins. Start with 4 ripe bananas and mash them up. In a separate bowl, add a 1/4 cup of oil, half cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and mix them well. And then add in half a cup of butter. Mix in the mashed bananas, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix. Then add the dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Then add as much walnuts and chocolate chips as you want. I did about a cup each. Add the mix to your muffin tray. And heat the oven to 325 and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. The muffins are soft and moist from the Greek yogurt with a crunch from the walnuts and a burst of sweetness from the chocolate chips.